still breathing with him. He's not even breathing right now. His mouth didn't even open. Look, his mouth didn't even open. Watch.
It's like a lullaby.
We got a wild one here. This is straight from down under. What you do is you hold his nose and he'll stop breathing. So you put him to sleep.